What's going on, guys? I'm Spencer from Destination Delicious. We are here at the Blackstone Griddle Crew Social Summit 2023. I'm here with Mike.
With Mike's Mess Hall.
And I'm here with Butch.
Cooking with a Crazy Pot.
And they just made this Southern Style Pastrami Burger.
Pastrami Burger.
Southern Style Pastrami Burger that is absolutely fantastic. And I liked it so much that I think Christy and I are going to recreate it on our show. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And as you saw in that intro, I had the pleasure of attending Blackstone's Griddle Crew Social Summit for 2023. And it was an absolute blast. I had so much fun getting to meet the whole Griddle Crew, cooking with each other, and really bonding over our love for making delicious meals on our Blackstone griddles. Unfortunately, you weren't able to come with us.
Somebody had to hold down the fort and watch the kids and the dog.
Yep, but one of the recipes that I saw being made while we were there was from Mike's Mess Hall and Cooking with the Crazy Pop. They made an incredible Southern Style Pastrami Burger. So that's what I'm cooking today.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
All right, first things first, it's time to get our meat on the griddle. I've got 2 burger balls here that I'm gonna get on the griddle and smash-a-lash them.
Smash-a-lash them.
Smash-a-lash them.
You've been watching too many kid shows.
Yes, that's what this is.
Something is awry over here.
Before I get it on the griddle, I'm gonna add some of Blackstone's whiskey burger seasoning. I've got the griddle blazing hot over here, so I'm gonna get some olive oil down, spread that out, and drop our burger. I'm gonna use the old spatula trick to smash these. Now I'm gonna season the second side with the whiskey burger. I'm nice and generous with that. While our burgers are cooking on the first side, I'm going to make our coleslaw really quick here. And yes, I'm cheating by using a pre-made mix.
It's delicious, easy, and quick to make.
Oh, it comes with its own packet. How about
Look at that.
We're not using that. I got some better stuff here.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
Give that a good mix. Are you a saucy slaw or a dry slaw, kind of?
I'm a saucy slaw. How about you?
Kind of somewhere in the middle.
All right, is there a middle? What did theirs look like? Was theirs saucy?
It was kind of saucy.
Slossy?
Slossy.
Slossy?
Slossy, speaking of saucy.
Uh-huh.
Right, these are not true smash burgers. When Mike and Butch made them, they were still a little bit thicker. So I let them go for a little bit longer than I typically would a smash burger. But it is time to flip them. Oh, yeah. And while that second side of the burger is cooking, I'm going to get our pastrami down on the griddle. And now we got to get some butter on our buns to get them nice and toasted up. And now on the griddle. All right, our buns are ready. They toasted up quick. So it is time to build our burgers. 1 and 2. I definitely smashed one more than I smashed the other. And we put some of that griddled pastrami on top.
Looks delicious. Smells
even better.
Yeah.
And then it's time to add some of that slaw right on top.
I love coleslaw.
It is quite tasty.
It is. I don't know who started adding it to sandwiches, but
Good on them.
yeah, I like it.
And now, this is an ingredient that I am unfamiliar with.
Yeah, I was gonna say, here's the wild card.
Pimento cheese. Here we go. You know what I'm gonna do?
Put it on the bun.
I'm gonna put this on the top buns.
Yeah, I like it.
Spread that out a little bit. It is an interesting looking food item. Those buns go right on top of our burgers.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna cut one of these in half here, make it a little bit easier to eat. Look at there. Whole bunch of layers.
Yeah.
All right, this is gonna be the first time
With pimento cheese.
with pimento cheese, but also like
Like
new
a-
style burger
Yeah,
that
like
we've never
meat.
tried before.
Meat on meat that's not bacon included.
Yeah.
Because that's usually what we go to.
It's beef on beef,
Yeah.
which
Also works.
not gonna find me arguing.
All right, let's dive in and try this.
I like it.
That's good. crunchy bread.
Mm-hmm.
The minto
And the
cheese
slaw,
with the coleslaw has this like
It's got a good cheddar flavor
different
to it.
but good flavor.
It's like a cheeseburger.
Yeah, and of course the pastrami and burger.
Yeah.
I love trying new things. So
Mhm.
you're not, I mean, food is fun. And eating different kinds of things is fun and exciting. So this is a great way to, you know, spice up or twist up a burger.
Well, it's a great way to try new things.
Yeah.
So if you see something that we cook, or any other of the cooks on the Blackstone channel cook, or any of the Griddle Crew cook, if you see something that you think would be tasty, go ahead and try it. Try something new. Try something outside of your comfort zone. I think you'll probably be pleasantly surprised.
So Mike and Butch, thank you.
Yeah,
Delish.
the Southern boys know how to cook.
Yeah.
Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone, griddles, accessories, recipes, and more. Subscribe and ring that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Nate, Todd, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And go check out #Griddle Crew to see all of the amazing cooks that are out there doing cool and amazing stuff on their Blackstone. And until next time, guys, this is
Blackstone
This
Delicious.
is Blackstone Delicious. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious, and we will see you down the road.